Getting started with Minitab. Minitab is on campus in the computer labs maintained by ITS. In order to find a computer lab that has Minitab, you can go online to clc.its.psu.edu/lab-hours. In order to see what computer labs are available at the current time, make sure that you uncheck Macintosh and Linux because Minitab will only run on a Windows computer. You can click Display Labs and Hours to see what labs are available to you at the current time. Once you have located a computer with Minitab on it, in order to open Minitab, you'll want to press the Start button, select All Programs, then choose the folder Spreadsheets and Statistics. In there you will see a folder for Minitab, and in the Minitab folder you want to click on the blue, white, and yellow icon, and Minitab will open. At the top of Minitab you will see some drop-down menus. We will go into details of these. When you tell Minitab to do something, the output will appear in the session window. Sometimes you need to scroll down to see the entire output. And the worksheet window is like a spreadsheet. The top row, however, is not for your data. The top row is dedicated for variable names. When entering variables into Minitab, the data part needs to appear starting at row 1. Let's say we want to enter some numbers as data into Minitab. The first thing we need to do is give our column of data a name. Make sure that the variable name appears in the row that is not numbered. Next we can start entering our data. Now if you happen to, by mistake, hit a letter instead of a number while you are entering data, Minitab will automatically call that column of data text. Notice that next to the C1 there's a T. Now that's a mistake. I didn't mean to enter Q. It was supposed to be the number 1. So even though I've gone back and fixed it, Minitab still remembers my mistake and calls this a text column. I need to go in and tell Minitab that this is no longer a text column, but it's numeric. This can be fixed easily by clicking on the Data menu. Select Change Data Type, Text to Numeric. We want to go to the Change Text columns and see where the cursor is blinking. That's where we want to enter our variable name1. There are a few ways we can do this. We can double-click it, or we can click it once and hit the select button. I would like to store this in the same column. I don't need another column of my mistake. Now the T has disappeared next to the C1 and my data is entered correctly.